And we're back. Okay, carrying on here in Lightroom, we're going to go to import photos. And before you import your photos, there's a variety of different settings that we're going to want to walk through. From the top, copy as DNG is the setting that you want here. And remember that Lightroom always works from the left to the right, so from a source to a destination. First source we're going to play with, if I turn my camera on, is we'll see the camera show up here on the left hand side under sources. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead and begin by unchecking all the photos. The series of photos that I'm interested in are from here to here, so a nice handy little shortcut. I can just select them all and then hit one checkbox to make the selection. So here are the settings we want to do under file handling on the right hand side. You have all the different destinations of places you can go to, and it does a good job of remembering your previous destinations. But we do want to don't import suspected duplicates. Gator suggests not having that checked, but I think it's a mess to not have that checked, so we'll go ahead and have that checked. Under renaming files, we're going to use a custom setting. In the custom setting, you simply click on custom setting, go to edit, and we got a little bit of text here. I've written in anthro136e underscore a2 underscore t0, that's your team. We'll go over that in class, but basically t0 underscore and then a sequence number. So that's a reasonable file name that will work just fine. We could use dates and times, but since the date and time is actually established through our data, I think that that's a perfectly reasonable type of name. This is what would be called the organization, and that's a particular team. We could also do this by shoot, but this is an easier way to approach this. Okay, so there you go. And then the last bit was an index number, and we're all set. So then on destination, you're going to find in Dropbox your folder, and you're going to go to your media folder, and then you're going to go down here to the A2, in this case folder, and organize all this content into one folder. That's the key. Once you've done these settings, there's a couple other really important things to set. Render previews. You want to use a standard render preview. Gator talks about the fact that it will render these things on the fly for you, but my point is that all takes time, and when you're going through the images, I would rather have this preview set before I sit down, get my imports rolling, go have a cup of coffee or whatever, and then come back and we're all set to go. Once that's all set and done, you hit import.